Hey, what's up guys, I am Tech. Welcome to our territory. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is coming with Note 20 and Note 20 Plus. If you are following our channel, you will have heard that two devices were expected, Note 20 and Note 20 Plus. However, the Bluetooth Special Interest Group, which is reasonable for certified Bluetooth devices, has listed a device with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra name, suggesting that this device does actually exist. The Samsung code for this is SMN986U, as detailed on the listing on the Bluetooth SIG website, and this product code has previously been associated with the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus. This most recent discovery brings with it some confusion. At the moment, it is not clear if we will be seeing three models of Note or indeed that what we are expecting to be the Note 20 Plus. Now let's talk about the camera specification of Note 20 Plus. It is long been thought that the Note 20 may take the S20 Plus cameras and use those. However, there is report that the Note 20 Plus will have a 108 megapixel camera as the S20 Ultra did. Indeed, there is still some suspicion that the Note 20 Plus may launch as the Note 20 Ultra. Elsewhere, it is being reported that the Note 20 Plus won't be offering the 100x zoom feature that made its debut on the S20 Ultra. Again, we suspect this comes down to criticism for the feature which, although it offered good zoom out to about 10x, as difficult to practically use beyond that with poor results at the far end anyway. Instead, it looks like the S20 may have a 50x zoom feature instead. According to Iceuniverse, the Twitter leaker, he says that the Note 20 Plus is come with a 108 megapixel main camera, 13 megapixel 50x periscope zoom and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with a laser focus sensor to add the main camera. That headline 108 megapixel camera was previously on the S20 Ultra, and bringing it to the Note 20 top model may also make sense. We suspect that the Note 20 and Note 20 Plus will have a different camera system, although full details have not yet leaked. Now let's talk about the design of Note 20 Plus. Render suggests that the Note 20 Plus or Note 20 Ultra won't change too much from the Note 10. Expect a waterproof metal frame sandwich between glass panels and expect some interesting finishes too. An under-display fingerprint sensor is likely, as well as a prominent rear camera housing, and there will be a built-in S-Pen. We are also expecting two size options with both featuring a similar design. It is also said that the Note 20 will have an under-display fingerprint scanner that is twice the size that have been used before, which should improve its performance. This is not the first time we have seen the rumor. It has been applied to a number of Samsung devices over the past years, so may or may not happen. Now let's talk about the display of Note 20 Plus, with Samsung introducing a 120Hz refresh rate display on all the Galaxy S20 models. It is claimed it will be improved for the Note 20 Plus and Note 20 Ultra, and that it will be a variable rate and should work at full resolution on the Note 20 Plus. However, the regular Note 20 may not get the 120Hz display as a point of differentiation and to keep the costs down. Some reports have suggested an under-display camera which would negate the need for the punch hole camera, but for now this is just rumor and it may be that only one of the Note 20 model offers it. Now let's talk about the specification of Note 20 Plus. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 will likely run similar processor to the Galaxy S20 range with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 or an Exynos chipset. It has been reported that Samsung is working on updated Exynos 992 to boost the performance of the hardware it used in S20. It is likely the Note 20 and Note 20 Plus will offer at least 12GB of RAM too. Thought Samsung may set up the RAM for the Plus model to match the Ultra. Some reports have suggested the Note 20 base model will drop its internal storage to 128GB instead of 256GB. It will make sense if the S20 and Note 20 are going to share most of the same specifications. Now let's talk about the colors of Note 20. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Plus will bring a set of standard colors like black and grey, but also green and copper. Details on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 were leaked today on the Galaxy Club. They suggested that the Galaxy Note 20 will be a release in grey, copper and green. The same source tipped the colors of the Galaxy Note 20 Plus or Ultra. That larger device is supposed to be released at least two colors, one in black, other in copper. Let me know down the comments below what's your thoughts about the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Thank you for watching. See you next time.